Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to the store for like few issues, actually major issues. One of them was like the base was moving, so it needs to replace these flanges with the new ones and tighten the base, put it in the center. And the other one, like the group head wasn't moved right, so the machine needs a tune-up. But the customer brought all the gaskets and stuff. But yeah, I replaced these from the ones like the customer got, but the other ones was like wrong size. This was alright, and the machine didn't use on this type. The old one they didn't use pressure stat, so I don't know why we got this. And that looks used one. It's not new. Okay, and even the group head, the shower screen, and the gasket was not the same size. It was wrong size, and I replaced this side glass kit. This is the old one, and this comes with a holes here. So the newer ones didn't have, so I needed to modify it. So I did it from here. I make holes in the new one in order to put the screws from both sides. And there was like burnt and cut wires inside it. I just replaced them and rewired it again. But this machine, when it gets hot, you need to turn off one of those. And when you finish with this machine, it's better if you turn it off. This old version didn't have the pressure stat. It's only have the thermostat, the safety switch in the bottom, and that one even like works or not. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. This is perfect shot, and this machine comes without steam wand, so and we couldn't find it, so the customer said just like service it without putting the a new steam wand. We couldn't find it for this old version because it's already he didn't use it. So here's the shot I got from there. It comes even with some cream on it. And yeah, so the machine working perfect, but always like remember when you finish just to turn it off. Thank you for watching.